Here are 11 shown ways to lose weight without diet or exercise. Adhering to a traditional eating regimen and exercise plan can be troublesome. Nonetheless, there are a few demonstrated tips that can assist you with eating less calories effortlessly. These are successful approaches to decrease your weight, just as to forestall weight acquire later on. Here are 11 different ways to get more fit without diet or exercise. Every one of them depend on science. 1. Bite thoroughly and slow down. Your mind needs an ideal opportunity to handle that you've had enough to eat. Biting your food altogether causes you to eat all the more gradually, which is related with diminished food admission, expanded completion and more modest part estimates. 1 trusted source, 2 trusted source, 3 trusted source. How rapidly you finish your suppers may likewise influence your weight. A new audit of 23 observational examinations revealed that quicker eaters are bound to put on weight than more slow eaters. 4 trusted source. Quick eaters are additionally considerably more prone to be fat. To start eating all the more gradually, it might assist with tallying how frequently you bite each chomp. 2. Utilize smaller plates for unhealthy foods. The ordinary food plate is bigger today than it was a couple of many years prior. This pattern could add to weight acquire, since utilizing a more modest plate may assist you with making parcels look bigger. Then again, a greater plate can make a serving look more modest, making you add more food. 5 trusted source, 6 trusted source. You can utilize this for your potential benefit by serving sound food on greater plates and less solid food on more modest plates. 3. Eat plenty of protein. Protein effectively affects hunger. It can expand sensations of completion, lessen appetite and assist you with eating less calories. 7 trusted source. This might be on the grounds that protein influences a few chemicals that assume a part in appetite and totality, including ghrelin and GLP-1. 8 trusted source. Overall, without deliberately limiting any nourishments. 9 trusted source. On the off chance that you at present have a grain-based breakfast, you might need to consider changing to a protein-rich feast, for example, eggs. In one investigation, overweight or stout ladies who had eggs for breakfast had less calories at lunch contrasted with the individuals who had a grain-based breakfast. 10 trusted source. Also, they wound up eating less calories for the remainder of the day and during the following 36 hours. A few instances of protein-rich nourishments incorporate chicken bosoms, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, quinoa and almonds. 4. Store unhealthy foods far out. Putting away unfortunate food sources where you can see them may expand appetite and longings, making you eat more. 11 trusted source. This is additionally connected to weight acquire. 12 trusted source. One late investigation found that if fatty nourishments are more obvious in the house, occupants are bound to gauge more than individuals who keep just a bowl of natural product noticeable. 12 trusted source. Store unfortunate food sources far out, for example, in storerooms or cabinets, so they are less inclined to get your attention when you're ravenous. Then again, keep solid nourishments noticeable on your ledges and spot them up front in your ice chest. 5. Eat fiber-rich foods. Eating fiber-rich food sources may expand satiety, causing you feel more full for more. Studies likewise demonstrate that one kind of fiber, thick fiber, is especially useful for weight reduction. It builds completion and lessens food admission. 13 trusted source. Thick fiber shapes a gel when it interacts with water. This gel expands supplement retention time and hinders the discharging of your stomach. 14 trusted source. Thick fiber is just found in plant food sources. Models incorporate beans, oat cereals, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, oranges and flax seeds. A weight reduction supplement called glucomannan is likewise exceptionally high in thick fiber. 6. Drink water regularly. Drinking water can assist you with eating and get more fit, particularly on the off chance that you drink it before a supper. One examination in grown-ups found that drinking a large portion of a liter 17 ounces of water around 30 minutes before dinner's decreased appetite and diminished calorie admission. 15 trusted source. Members who drank water before a supper lost 44% more weight over a 12-week time frame contrasted with the individuals who didn't. On the off chance that you supplant calorie-stacked beverages, for example, pop or squeeze, With water, you may encounter a significantly more noteworthy impact. 16 Trusted source. 7. Serve yourself smaller portions. Segment sizes have expanded during the most recent couple of many years, particularly at eateries. Bigger parts urge individuals to eat more and have been connected to an expansion in weight gain and stoutness. 17 Trusted source. 18 Trusted source. 19 Trusted source. 20 Trusted source. 21 Trusted source. One examination in grown-ups found that multiplying the size of a supper hors d'oeuvre expanded calorie admission by 30%. 21 Trusted source. Serving yourself simply somewhat less may assist you with eating less calories. Also, you likely won't see the distinction. 8. Eat without electronic distractions. Focusing on what you eat may assist you with devouring less calories. Individuals who eat while they're sitting in front of the TV or playing PC games may forget about the amount they have eaten. This, thus, can cause indulging. One audit of 24 investigations found that individuals who were occupied at a dinner ate about 10% more in that sitting. 22 Trusted source. Also, inattentiveness during a feast affects your admission later in the day. Individuals who were occupied at a supper ate 25% a bigger number of calories at later dinners than the individuals who were available. 22 Trusted source. On the off chance that you consistently burn through suppers while staring at the TV or utilizing electronic gadgets, you could be unintentionally eating more. These additional calories add up and greatly affect your weight in the long haul. 9. Rest soundly and avoid stress. With regards to well-being, individuals frequently disregard rest and stress. Both, indeed, effectively affect your craving and weight. An absence of rest may upset the craving-controlling chemicals leptin and ghrelin. Another chemical, cortisol, becomes raised when you're focused. 23 Trusted source. Having these chemicals vacillate can build your yearning and longings for unfortunate food, prompting more fatty admission. 23 Trusted source. 24 Trusted source. 25 Trusted source. Additionally, ongoing lack of sleep and stress may expand your danger of a few illnesses, including type 2 diabetes and heftiness. 26 Trusted source. 27 Trusted source. 28 Trusted source. 10. Wipe out sugary drinks. Added sugar might just be the single most exceedingly terrible fixing in the eating routine today. Sweet refreshments like soft drink have been related with an expanded danger of numerous sicknesses. 29 Trusted source. 30 Trusted source. 31 Trusted source. It's extremely simple to burn through overabundance calories from sweet beverages since fluid calories don't influence totality the manner in which strong food does. 32 Trusted source. 33 Trusted source. 34 Trusted source. Avoiding these drinks completely can give huge long-haul medical advantages. In any case, note that you ought not supplant soft drink with organic product juice, as it tends to be similarly as high in sugar. 35 Trusted source. 36 Trusted source. Solid refreshments to drink rather incorporate water, espresso and green tea. 11. Serve unhealthy food on red plates. One strange methodology is to utilize red plates to assist you with eating. Examination shows that this strategy in any event appears to work with undesirable nibble food sources. One examination revealed that volunteers ate less pretzels from red plates than from white or blue plates. 37 Trusted source. The clarification might be that we partner the shading red with stop signals and other man-made alerts. In conclusion, numerous basic ways of life propensities can assist you with getting thinner. Some have nothing to do with customary eating routine or exercise plans. You can utilize more modest plates, eat more gradually, drink water and try not to eat before the TV or PC. Focusing on food sources wealthy in protein and thick fiber may likewise help. Be that as it may, it's most likely best not to attempt every one of these things immediately. Investigation with one method for some time, and in the event that that functions admirably for you, at that point attempt another. A couple of straightforward changes can enormously affect your weight over the long haul.